This is a gardenia flower. It is commonly found in summer and rainy seasons. And in Bangla, it is known as Gandharaj. Gandho, that means fragrance, and Raj, that means king. So Gandharaj, that means the king of fragrance. Look, it has creamy white petals and very soft. And the most attractive things about this flower is its fragrance. It has an amazing fragrance. I planted this plant in front of my house, so when I sleep or go outside, I can enjoy its scent, amazing scent. It lasts 4 or 5 days before falling to the ground, and gradually its color changes. At the first stage, white, then yellow, and in the last stage, brown. So my dear audience, if you want more videos like this, like, follow and subscribe to my channel.